So we've got this fascinating study that explores a treatment that might actually reverse the aging process in our eyes.
Very interesting.
Essentially, they injected older mice with a special polyunsaturated fatty acid.
Right, and the goal was to replenish those life-saving fatty acids that normally decline as we age, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Absolutely. To break it down, the research builds on earlier work that looked at the ELO-VL2 enzyme. This enzyme is kind of like a marker of aging. When its activity falls short, vision deteriorates in those mice. But in the previous study, boosting ELO-VL2 increased DHA levels, which, improved sight.
Yep, that makes sense. And in this new twist, rather than relying on boosting the enzyme itself, the researchers went directly for increasing the very long-chain polyunsaturated fatty acids in the retina, right?
Exactly. It's like they thought, hey, let's replace what's missing, and maybe we can rewind some of the aging effects. They injected these fatty acids into the eyes of older mice. And guess what? Their ability to see light and dark patterns got better, even in dim light.
Yeah, that's pretty remarkable. Now, one important thing is that these experiments so far were only on mice, correct?
Right, that's a key point. Right, and it's crucial to note that the mouse retina is different from the human retina. Still, experts are saying that this approach lays down an intriguing foundation for future clinical research on humans.
Yeah, that caveat is very important. Now, I'm curious. This treatment is a direct injection into the eye, isn't it? How does that compare to the current methods for treating age-related vision issues like macular degeneration?
Definitely, it's a bit like exploring a new route on an old map. Current treatment for wet macular degeneration already involves monthly injections to control abnormal growth, though those are primarily addressing symptoms. This new method aims at, the root by restoring fatty acid levels in the retina. It's almost like boosting the building blocks of the eye cells.
I see your point. But do you really think that reintroducing fatty acids could be more effective than, say, switching to a pill or a special diet? I mean, injections can be, well, kind of invasive, right?
That's a solid question. In fact, some experts, like Dr. Dunieff, are actually working on a pill alternative because monthly injections, while effective, can be pretty daunting. It's like preferring a daily vitamin over having to get shots all the time.
Yeah, I totally get that.
And honestly, even if this is early stage, it shows promise, not just in potentially reversing eye aging, but also in enhancing the overall health of the retina by building up its structural defense with these fatty acids.
Yeah, that seems like a promising direction. So, while there's still a lot of research to be done, especially with human trials, this study sparks hope that age-related vision decline might one day be cured, day be tackled from its molecular roots.
Exactly. It's about paving the way for future therapies. It's a remarkable blend of biochemistry and medical innovation, and it definitely keeps the conversation open about aging and vision.
Right, very exciting indeed.